Hello, hello! Welcome back to IQ Splash, everyone. Today's challenge is Guess the Animal by the Emoji. You'll face 20 emoji puzzles with only 10 seconds to solve each one. You score 1 point for every correct answer. Let's see if you get a perfect score. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Are you ready to play? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's start with an easy one. Which animal is this? That's right, the reindeer. What a great start. Can you guess the animal from these emojis? Fantastic, it's a goldfish. Which creature do these emojis represent? Monkey is the answer. Any idea what this animal could be? Correct, it's the tiny kiwi bird. Here comes another animal challenge. Awesome! You found the sea turtle. Can you solve this emoji question? Tiny but adorable, the hamster. Can you guess this animal? Roarsome, it's a bear. What do these emoji clue reveal? The answer is mosquito. Name the animal before time runs out. Rhino. Look closely. Which animal do you think it is? Wahoo! It's a swan. Any guesses? Can you name this one? Serially impressive. It's a seahorse. Do you recognize this creature? An earthworm. Can you name this animal? Crocodile. Great job. Ready to guess another one? Brilliant. It's a polar bear. This animal might be easier than you think. That's the tall crane. Can you guess this one? Correct, hammerhead shark. What's your answer for this one? Woof, woof, a bulldog. Take a close look and make your guess. The elephant. Which animal fits these clues? Oh, you found the wolf. Can you decode these animal emojis? It's the chill and lovable capybara.